A weaner pig is a pig from birth until it's weaned from its mother. Upon weaning, a weaner pig becomes a feeder pig until it reaches 50 pounds. At 50 pounds, it's sent to the finishing floor where it's raised until it reaches market weight. Lohman versus Wagner involved an alleged breach of a purchase agreement for weaner pigs. Charles Lohman ran a farrow-to-finish pig-raising operation, but he was looking for new opportunities. John Wagner was in the process of creating a network for pork producers and buyers, and Wagner suggested that Lohman consider producing weaner pigs for the network. Lohman decided to convert his operation to focus solely on weaner pig production and even began selling weaner pigs to Wagner prior to completing the conversion. To complete the conversion, Lohman needed to secure financing, but Lohman's bank required certain documentation. Lohman contacted Wagner and requested a copy of a weaner pig purchase agreement. Wagner said he didn't have one, but agreed to create one based on a prior agreement. Wagner's wife retyped the agreement, which included housing, feeding, and other services in its terms. However, she left the per-week quantity of weaner pigs blank. Wagner then signed the agreement and sent it to Lohman. Upon receipt of the purchase agreement, Lohman filled in a 300 per week quantity, signed the agreement, and sent it to his bank. Lohman completed the conversion and began selling weaner pigs exclusively. After a few months, Wagner cut the per-head purchase price of weaner pigs due to market conditions. Lohman indicated to Wagner that the price would put him out of business, and Lohman did eventually wind down the business. Lohman wasn't able to sell all of the weaner pigs, and Wagner's network never came into being. Lohman sued Wagner for breach of contract. At trial, Wagner testified that he believed the purchase agreement was a sample and that he never saw it again after sending it to Lohman. The court found that the contract didn't meet the requirements of the Uniform Commercial Code and entered a judgment for Wagner. Lohman appealed.